Welcome to another tutorial with Polka Art Studio. As promised, we are here again with a new project that we offer for free to our lovely community. It is our way to say thank you for all the love and support that we receive every single day. For this month's free project, we have created a cute, shabby chic ephemera storage box filled with all kinds of goodies, to which you can add your own touches and papers. To download this project, head over to our website and click on the freebies page. There, you will find this project together with a collection of other free projects and printables. We have included the link in the description of this video. This project was created to complement some of the newly released kits on our Etsy store. Springtime Sentiments, Shabby Chic Roses Journal Kit, and the Feathered Chronicles Journal. If you're curious to peek at these kits up close, hop on over to our store. You'll find the links right in the description. This kit also comes with a template that you can use to print your own design pages and customize this project to your liking. To use it, simply print over the template provided and cut. The assembly instructions are the same. This project was printed onto 180 GSM matte photo paper, but you can use any kind of cardstock paper you want. You will need minimal tools to create this project. The ones we used were a pair of scissors, glue, double-sided tape or a glue stick, a scoring board and a bone folder. Apart from this, you can add any kind of supplies you want, such as scraps of paper, metal plates, eyelets to decorate the tags, ribbon or lace or any other elements that you like. To start, we have cut out all the elements, scored and folded the edges. Pick out the main frame of the box together with the cover panels. There is a panel for the front, one for the bottom, and another for the back. For the last one, we will glue it upside down since that side will fold upwards. Proceed by gluing all the cover panels. Next, we will assemble and glue the sides. Glue the side panel with the shorter edge towards the front and repeat this with the other one. To start, fold each panel in half and glue it back to back. This will ensure the box is sturdier. We also have two divider panels that we will now place inside the box, trying to glue them within an equal distance from each other. You will find in this kit 2 mini file folders, some mini tags, and a collection of cards, fussy cuts and labels that you can decorate and further embellish the box. We hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial and we cannot wait to see you in the next one. Until then, have fun crafting.